evening. Yeah man, wherever you are, cook and this back in the kitchen again. With Chef Garnet, you know, and this time it's not me alone. It's me and the team, right? So we're cooking today, you know, for a funeral, you know, big catering job, and we're in an industrial kitchen. I'm not at my home. Yeah, so I'll show you different activities happening in the kitchen today. We got loads of things cooking, you know, so it's not going to be the usual vlog as per usual. You know, we're going to have bits and pieces here and there, just to show you what we're doing. Okay, as you can see, we have big pots on the stove already cooking. We have curry goat, we have chicken, we have jerk chicken, fried chicken, we have fish, we have rice and fish. Come on, let's go on and on and on. So you will see what's happening as the day goes by. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment also. Okay, so the whole team is in the place. Yeah, man, I think not gonna want today. Here with cooker and inspire Chef Garnet. I'm helping him out again, as you can see, in this big old kitchen. Yeah, I'm gonna mix up some barbecue sauce, special sauce, secret sauce for the chicken, you know, to make it get finger licking. So I'm gonna go with my barbecue sauce and my ketchup. And now the secret ingredients that I'm not gonna tell you guys to make my sauce. After I fry my chicken, I just dip it in there and put it back in the oven for a bit to give it that taste. Things sailing smoothly in the kitchen, you know. Got the whole thing here work. Rice and peas up on fire, look. See that? As me normally say, you got that? Chili rice. Yeah man, see that? Nice and lovely. One big pot of rice. See? And over there so we have chicken and fry.
Dumpling and rice, meat and rice.
Curry goat, I simmer down. See that? Nice and lovely. Sweet and nice.
Fried dumpling.
Jerk chicken as well. See there? I hit that jerk chicken up. Yeah man, over here so we're going to do some curry veg. All our ingredients are ready. Curry veg. You know? See there? for the curry veg. A little bit over it. Over this one. Over here, so we have the great old Vivian in our soup. Let me go and wear some. Great old vegetable soup. I go on over here, so. Big old pot of vegetable soup. You see what I said? Yeah, man, so. Here we are again. Another level. Level we have there. Look at this. This is the pickle for the escovitch fish. All your onions and your carrots. You know, your bell peppers. You know, salt. My salt laid down a little bit. Put on my fish. Come on, so fish are fried. Pickle like that. Cook and inspire way this. See it? The hands over this one. And one thing. You will watch on this. You know this one.
You hear that?
So over here, some legs over there.
Ah.
Here we are again. And then another leg. You know, you can busy. This is our macaroni and cheese sauce. I'm putting my sauce together for the macaroni and cheese. So that's it. See that? Yeah, man. My own secret ingredients. You know, where nobody can know what in there. So, yeah, man. There's a heat stories until they get a bit thick. You know, these are whisk. See, there's a lot of cheese sauce because we're doing at least 4 trays of macaroni and cheese. So this is it. We're mixing up our macaroni. Come on, babe. Mixing up our macaroni for our macaroni and cheese. Look at that nice thick sauce. My Jesus, man. What? Look at that. You can heat it just as it is. Come on, Vivian. Pour it in, Vivian. Pour in that sauce, babe.
I'm pouring it on it. Chef, I'm pouring it.
I'm pouring in that sauce.
I gotta come fast as chef. And what we can have to get it now, make us some quick. Take it bit by bit, chef.
Talking like a rubbish.
See? Take it easy, chef. We still get there.
We're talking about bologna
Now we
tonight.
get there.
So here we are again and the final lap. So what we're doing now, we're doing some curry veg. You know, we got our courgette, pumpkin, you know, whole works in there. Aubergine, you know, we got chickpeas, you know, bell peppers, everything with there. Potato, carrots. Look at that. So rich and lovely that looks. That's our curry veg. Yeah, man. Final up with it, man. So stay tuned. When it's done, I can show you what I want. And we got Uncle Vivian in the kitchen. And Uncle Vivian in the kitchen and I think. So be a talking again. Yeah, so yeah, man. This is what I want. Lovely. I'm telling you, if you ever taste this, guys, I'm telling you, man. This is for the vegan, vegetarian. Okay? And over here, we got our white rice. You know, you can't have curry goat without white rice. You see what I say? Look at that, nice cheddar rice. Just need to simmer down a little bit. And it's good to go. Look at that, big pot of rice. Over here we got our curry goat. Good to go, big pot. of it, guys. I'm not going to even move what I open it. We got 2 trays of, what's this? Dumpling. And we got jerk chicken. We got, over here, so we got fried chicken. We got escovitch fish over here, so you know. See what I'm saying? We got that one, 3 trays up there. Yeah, man. And we have jerk chicken. What about something? So, guys, this is it, you know. I can't give you no more video than this at this moment. So, next time you see me, I'll be on your screen. Yeah? So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. It's Cook and Inspire in and out the kitchen as usual. So, can't be good, be careful. Yeah, man. And husband, don't beat up on a wife. I will always say that. Yeah? Treat them good. Yeah, man. So, and the team is here, you know. So, big up to the team. Well done, guys. And now answer them vex with me, you know. Because we're working so hard this morning. Vex. That's what I say. So, peace out. And I'll see you next time, brother. Yeah?